Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Starting off with a quick look at the radar out there, looking good and free of any reflectivity, at least in the immediate local area. Do have some storms that have continued to push off the coast, and that is going to continue to be the case as we see that cold front moving away from the area. And as we look towards the week ahead, we'll see that high pressure is going to continue building in across the area through today, and we'll see a weak disturbance move through tomorrow evening. Could produce a few showers or storms, maybe even lingering into Wednesday morning. And then we'll see a largely dry day for Wednesday, with some slight chances of seeing kind of similar afternoon, evening pop-up storms. Those do look possible on both Tuesday and Wednesday. And then moving into Thursday, our temperatures are going to be on the rise. We'll see what will become the warmest day of the week on Thursday. And we'll also see some breezy conditions as a tightening pressure gradient moves across the region and as a low to the northwest with an associated cold front starts pushing in. And then that is going to lead us to our next best chance of seeing those storms ahead of that cold front as it continues its eastward push. And some of those storms do look like they have the chance of becoming severe, as instability will be likely across the area. Most of that activity does look to once again kind of occur in the later evening ahead of that front. And then on Friday, the rain looks to continue early, and that front is going to continue its slow push eastwards. Some models do kind of suggest that it could stall out overhead, but until better agreement comes together, we'll likely just see some lingering rain and storms possible once again on Friday earlier in the period. And after such, we'll see clearing on the backside and a break from those rain chances as we move into the weekend, as high pressure is going to continue building in once again, and that should lead to what will become a pleasant close to the week and a comfortable, warm weekend to follow. Taking a look at the 24-hour forecast for the day ahead, expecting scattered conditions throughout the day today, may become broken at times. We'll see once we get out of those daylight hours, cloud cover building and those mid-levels becoming more so broken consistently. For our temperatures today, seeing those climb into the upper 70s, low 80s, and with a decreasing trend in our relative humidity, so should be a very comfortable day out there. Winds, we are moving out of the windiest portion of the day. Those gusts are slowly starting to work their way down, so it does look like we've, at least for now, avoided a wind advisory. Continue to see those winds die out as we move into the overnight hours, and a sea breeze develop in the afternoon. Should once again be light, gusting into the mid-teens. And for the remainder of our operational risks, looking green for the rest of the day. No real chances of precipitation or lightning, and visibility is looking good. For the short-term forecast out there for the next 2 days, some slight changes from earlier, adding another 5 or 10% on some rain probabilities. On Tuesday, partly to mostly cloudy, slight chance of seeing an afternoon or evening shower or thunderstorm, high of 76. Tuesday night, partly to mostly cloudy, with a slight chance, once again, of those evening thunderstorms or early morning showers or thunderstorms, low around 66, and a chance of seeing some lowered visibilities in cloud decks. And Wednesday, similarly, partly to mostly cloudy, slight chance of those showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be a warmer day, and then we can expect clearing later in the period, a high around 84. And for the next 7 days ahead, expecting to see a good amount of sunshine this afternoon. Highs coming in the upper 70s, low 80s. And then Tuesday, we'll see cloud cover building in, still plenty of sunshine, slight chances of rain or a thunderstorm moving through or popping up over the region for both Tuesday and Wednesday. Then Thursday night, temperatures climbing into the 90s, seeing a pretty decent chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially in the late afternoon. And then for Friday and the earlier portion of the day, showers and thunderstorms, temperatures coming down a bit in the low to mid 80s, and that will continue on Saturday with clearing, and Sunday we'll see those temperatures moderating in the mid 80s, with partly to mostly cloudy conditions, with that weekend looking to be quite comfortable. And that is going to conclude the 7-day outlook. Hope everyone has a wonderful day, and we will be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief.